ሰላም ሰላም እንኳን በደህና መጣችሁ። ካቆምንበት እንቀጥላለን። ባለፈው ስለ ሞጁልስ ተምረናል። የተለያዩ ሞጁሎች ለማየት ሞክረናል። ሞጁልስ ስንተኛው ቀን ላይ ነበር? እስኪ 13ኛው ቀን ነው። 12 ይሄ ሁሌ ያሳስተኛል። ኦኬ 12ኛው ቀን ላይ ሞጁልስ ለማየት ሞክረናል። ይሄኛው ከስተም ሞጁልስ ነው። እንደምታዩት ከስተም ሞጁልስም አይተናል። ከስተም ሞጁልስ ኢምፖርት ቢልት-ኢን ሞጁልስ ለምሳሌ ኦፕሬቲንግ ሲስተም አላየንም፣ ግን ተመሳሳይ ነው። ኦፕሬቲንግ ሲስተም ለምሳሌ ያለንበትን ዳይሬክተሪ ለማወቅ ብንፈልግ ይረዳናል ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ I think let me create a file modules second day, or I can just say 2.py import modules. The module name is OS. OS means operating system. So actually this module is everything related to the operating system of the computer we use. So we have to, how do we know the methods inside? So to know, actually, let's see print. Actually, we have used this, the dir operating system, or we can use help. And then now you can see the different functions you can get inside this operating. Have you seen? There are quite a lot. Their entry of okay, I don't know, I have never used them, but let's see some of the common ones. Maybe I think I have already mentioned here. Make directory. For instance, if I want to make a directory here, inside here, I can use say operating system dot make dir, and I like to call the name actually as I can call it, it's time for Corona, right? Corona, yes. If I run this, you must probably see a folder here. Have you seen? Corona, that's not Corona. Okay. Corona, so I can remove this misspelled directory, and then just let's run this again. And as you can see, we managed to create a directory. So we can also remove the directory. OS remove dir. And then we have to, of course, mention the name of the directory, Corona. Why I'm misspelling Corona? Actually, this is not also, but I have to misspell it also here to delete it, as you can see. I have to run that. What's the difference? But I don't. It should be deleted, right? Do I make any typo? Remove there.
I think the directory should be. I think the folder will be in the things.
What?
ሁለተኛው ላይ ሪሙቭ የምናደርገው የመገኛውን መሰለኝ ፎልደር መገኛውን አይደለም
Rasun, the folder itself. But I think we may have an error, so let's read the error we have. I think that's the cannot create a file when that file now ምክንያቱም ምንድነው ኤረር ክሬት አድርገናል እዚህ ስቴፕ ላይ ክሬት አድርገናል ስለነበር በዚህ ምክንያት ነው። ስለዚህ አሁን ኮመንት እናድርግ ኦልሬዲ ክሬትድ ስለሆነ ምንድነው ያለኝ ክሬትድ የተደረገ ክሬት ማድረግ አልችልም። አሁን ማድረግ የፈለግነው actually ምንድነው delete. So let's delete. Yeah, delete አደረግነው ማለት ነው። እንደገና እስኪ ክሬት እናድርገው actually እንደገና without spelling error Corona. Why I'm making that mistake now? And then yes, Corona, now it's right. So as you can see, change directory changing the current directory. Okay, we can also, okay, operating system, change there to Corona. Now we are in the Python in Amharic, so this should take us to the Corona directory. Okay, let's see, pwd. Pwd just to check the path. What path do I get? Oh, so it's giving me actually this. So let's just print what I get from this line. We can print actually, print. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, because this make directory is now making again. I have to comment it out. None. Okay, it's returning none, but actually this can help us to get into to change a directory. Changing directory means actually something like this: cd corona. Now, as you can see, we are in the corona, in the corona directory. So whenever we want to use it in a code, I think this is how we write. And let's get current working directory. Current working directory, when we write it on the command line, actually we write pwd. That is current working directory. And our current working directory is this one. Great. And something related to files and systems, system modules. And this is not something which I like to talk about. But if you're interested, you can talk about that. Math, core module, we have seen this. Yeah, we have seen this quite a lot last time, and I think it's not needed to see now. ለምሳሌ ራንደም ሞጁልን ግን በደንብ ያየ ነው አይመስለኝም። በጣም አስፈላጊ ስለሆነ ራንደም ሞጁልን ዛሬ ማየት ፈልጋለሁ። ኢምፖርት ራንደም አክቹሊ እንግዲህ ቅድም እንዳልኳችሁ ራንደም ሞጁል ውስጥ ኢምፖርት እንደዚህ ካደረጋችሁት በኋላ ውስጥ ያሉትን ፋንክሽኖች እንዴት ነው የምናውቀው? either dir አድርጎ በመጻፍ dir ከዛ ራንደም ብለን ብንጽፍ ይሄ ኦፕሬቲንግ ሲስተም ጋር ያለውን በሙሉ አንፈልገውም now because it's causing us problem. አያችሁት ራንደም ጋር በጣም ብዙ ነገር ነው ያገኘሁት። VPF I have no idea what is it. በጣም ኮመን የሆነው ራንደም is common. ዩኒፎርም ራሱ ዩኒፎርም የሆነ ዴታ ሸፍል ለማድረግ ያገለግላል። ሌላ sample I have never used it, but let's use random. So print random. Randint, I will talk about that. Random. ይሄ random ምንድነው ጀነሬት የሚያደርግልን? actually ከ0 to 0.99 የሆነ ነገር ራንደም ያደርግልናል ማለት ነው። I don't need this one. Sorry. Have you seen? Yeah, now 0.12, 0.17. አሁን ለምሳሌ ራንደም ነምበር በአንድና በ10 መካከል ራንደም ነምበር ጀነሬት አድርጉ ብላችሁ እንዴት ነው ልታደርጉት የምትችሉት? this is ይሄ ነገር በ10 ባባዛውስ በ10 ባባዛው አያችሁት የሚሰጠኝ በ0 እና በ10 መካከል ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሊሆን የሚችለው ይሄ በ10 ስለተባዛ ውጤቱ 0 በሚሆንበት ጊዜ the least የሚሆነው 0 ነው። 0 ሲባዛ በ10 0 ነው ማለት ነው። the maximum ደግሞ 0.99 በ10 ሲባዛ ስንት ይሆናል? 9.9999 ይሆናል ማለት ነው።